Before the graduate, there is internship.
Internship is considered as the sixth year at our faculty because sixth year of study is fully only clinical rotations. So we spend a lot of time in basic clinical departments, and the sixth year in the countries where we insist on internship, sixth year is recognized as an internship.
Basically 6 years internship here. Okay, Professor Kuba, I think in the first row, I will take just one last question because we are running behind the schedule. Just quickly in 1 minute, yeah?
Yes. Good evening. I wanted to ask the students, have you ever encountered any kind of, let's say, racism from anyone, from teachers or students or anyone, on the streets?
No, not really. No.
Nothing. So everyone is like friendly. Do people like stick to cliques like European people? Do they stick to their own cliques? As in like their own groups?
No, we're coming from Masaryk University.
Masaryk,
Yeah,
okay.
my name is Amber.
Okay, sure. You can take a seat. Ahmed for Masaryk.
No, I think, like, I don't know, I put it in friendly even, and I haven't encountered any sort of
And not even from any teachers, staff? And in the first 3 years, do you get to do any clinical work, like maybe go to the hospital for some kind of course or anything like that?
You probably only start going to the hospital by third year. Like, first 2 years, this is like 1 or 2 random lessons at the hospital, which aren't like exactly important. The important stuff at the hospital when you start seeing patients only starts in third year.
Okay, Professor Kuba, I understand the anxiousness of the parents. There's one last query. It is even it is important. They would like to know the graduation rate. How many students actually pass out from the final year? I know it's a challenging study. All the 6 years is demanding because of the quality of exams and the study you have there. So, what is the passing rate?
Well, when we take about 60 students into the first year, now we try to take more, but when we formally took about 60, typical number of graduates each year is between 40, 50, well, maybe 40.
Now it's almost finished.
Really,
Just
one-third
recording. I
of
just see
students
if there's any questions.
didn't pass all years.
All right, okay. Professor Kuba, thank you so much because we know we are running out of time. I really, really appreciate the time. Mr.
That's one question for Rana. I would like to ask her in Arabic because she's from my country.
Yes.
Rana, please. الجامعة دي معترف بيها في نقابة الأطباء في القاهرة ولا؟
أيوة، أنا رحت جامعة القاهرة وسألت.
تمام.
معترف بيها، مش مشكلة.
طب والإمارات؟
كمان في الإمارات سألت.
سألتي هيئة
All right. To all the parents, I would like to say one thing: that if any of your questions is not answered, so please feel free to send email to Professor Kuba. So from my experience, he is very prompt in responding to students and parents' queries. So. But preferably, I would like if you can send the mail first to Gyanberry. If it is possible from our side, if we are able to answer, I will give you as much as information from my side. But if it is not possible that I cannot answer your query, we will forward it to Professor Kuba. Professor Kuba, thank you once again on behalf of all the students and the parents. It was lovely talking to you, and I believe it was helpful for the parents as well. So we really, really appreciate your time, and hopefully we'll see most of the students with you in the next years, in the coming few months or next year. Thank you. as you are aware,
And
this
the
is,
ones that I did
just-
not take,
just
you
one
took
minute.
it, right?
As you are
While I
aware,
was
we
there.
have one more university,
Still.
Masaryk University, will be
Okay.
present.